So hello friends, my name is Omkar Shawai and today's date is 13th August 2022 and today's our topic is on static keyword in Java. First we see JVM compartments. When JVM requires the RAM memory and RAM memory is accessible from OS means operating system. When operating system gives the RAM to JVM creates and compartments to hold the program and saves it. The JVM compartments have three compartments. First one is main method area. First one is method area. Second one is stack area, and third one is heap memory area. In method area, the whole classes are loaded, and then in stack area the primitive data types are stored or all the methods are stored in means the actual data is stored in the stack area. And third one is heap memory area. In the heap memory area, the addresses of that area is stored in the heap memory area. All this is JVM compartment. Then we see static keyword in Java. The static keyword means when we create a static keyword or static member, it means the member is it has a type itself. It is not a type, or it is rather than it is type of itself rather than instance of that type. When we actually create an static, it creates a copy of that class, and it shares it among the whole class. This static keyword is used to create static fields, static classes, static blocks, and static methods. Then first we see static fields or class variables. When we create a static field, means the one object is created, and it shares among the whole class. Means static variables are stored in heap memory. Heap memory. Heap memory. For example, when we create, for example, if we create a car class, create a car class, and in that car class, various attributes or various instance variables are there. And when we create an object, create a object of that car blueprint, it shares the among whole the instances of the variables, or variables which is actually stored in that car class. Then we see static method. In static method, it is also like a static field. When we create a static method, we don't need to create an object to call it. It shares. When we create it, we doesn't need to create an object of that class. And then third one is static blocks. When we create a static block, then if we want to create an if we want to initialize or add some another initialization concepts to or additional additional logics to initialize that class, then we create a block of that variables. Then last one we see static nested classes. When we create a nested classes or static nested classes, the nested classes are like also like the top level classes, but when we have to the class in the a class in another class, then we create a nested class. And nested classes are declared in that class to a class that accessible to it. So that's all from me. Thank you.